Hello and welcome. You are watching iKnowHow.
Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube in 5 easy steps.
Before we begin, please press the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for the instant updates.
Okay, let's start solving the Rubik's Cube then. Quick orientation about this Rubik's Cube. This is the white side. I'm going to start from white side and gradually go up and then finish at the yellow top. First step then, it's not a step actually. First thing what you need to do is get a white plus sign, but with the plus sign you need to make sure this middle piece is aligned as well. What I mean is, if I see something, let's say this, so there is a white and two reds. If you turn it up like that, so you will be forming a plus sign, but you need to align the middle piece with whatever color is with that white side. Likewise, try to find a white piece which has middle. So this one has a green side. What I'm going to do is just turn it, our white side is over there, so just turn it there and then turn it there. You have aligned your green piece and the white is there. Just bring it up and then, so you can see red and green. You can see here is the blue one. Where is the center blue? Center blue is over there, so just bring it like that and then flip it up. So that's done. My last white piece is over there, so orange. The white has an orange side, so, and your orange center is over there, so just turn it down, turn it that way and then flip it up. So now you have got white plus and then the consecutive colors, the colors that comes with it. Okay, so now we're gonna fix the corner pieces, the white corner pieces. To do that, what I suggest is bring all the white pieces, all the corner white pieces, however it is, bring it on the top like that, and back. Is there any? So there is one is over there. I will bring it on the top. Yeah, so now we are ready. You can see the plus still like that and like that. Okay, so now these corner pieces will flip and just go over there, and you need to bring it closer to the right side. So this is in the right place at the moment, so because red is over there, blue is over there. It doesn't matter if blue is there or blue is there, doesn't matter, but it needs to be, because this piece will flip and go there. You just need to be red, blue and white piece, so that is in right place. So if you see, this one is also in right place. It's not in right place because green, there is no green is over there, so this is wrong place, but doesn't matter for now. I'll show you in a bit. So to flip this and bring it here, you need to do our first step. So our first step is like this: up, left, down, right. One more time: up, left, down, right. Still there. One more time: up, left, down, right. It's over here but it's not fixed yet. Up, left, down, right. One more time: up, left, down, right. You can see that piece from there has been flipped and over here now. We'll go to the next one. So this is in wrong place. If you see, green is, this side is blue and this side is orange, so the orange is there but this is green, so this is in wrong place. So to take it to the right place, which is this one, this is the right place, because orange is over there, green is on here and white is on the bottom, so this piece will flip and go there. Let's do the same step then. Step 1, up, left, down, right. That was easy. Next one, so green is over there, red is over there, and white is down. So this is also in right place, so same step again. Okay, that's done. And final piece, final corner piece. Alright, our base is done, and with the base our first layer is also done and middle part is already done. Now we will do these parts. Okay, to do these parts, if you see over here, find on the top face, find a piece that does not have a yellow piece. So let's take this one first. If you see this one, this green and orange will go and flip over there because this belongs to there. So to bring that top piece to the left side over here, what we need to do is look at this color first. Align that color, green color, with that one. Now the top color is orange, so think that orange needs to go right there. Basically this will flip and go there. So it is going from left to right. So remember, left to right. Now comes our second step. Align it like this, and it is going from left to right, so take it one step away. After taking one step away, follow this step. Because it's going from left to right, I'll start on the right first. So up, left, down, right, and then turn it to the face that it needs to go, because it needs to go to the orange face. Turn it to the light. So last time we did on this side, this time we're gonna go on that one. Up, right, down, left. You can see that piece from there came over there. So that's done. Try to find out any other piece without a yellow piece. Looks like all of them has the yellow piece, so it doesn't matter. You can still do the same step again on any side to take out something out of the place. So I'm gonna do over here now. So in this way I've taken out this one. For now it's only this one. So this one, you can see, align this blue color with the right face first, and now it needs to go from left to right. So take one step left and then do it again. And on this face, okay, that is done. We need to fix out two more. So I'll just do randomly over here so that piece comes out. Okay, so this piece has come out. Take it to the green side. Now it's here and the red is over left side. So now it's going from right to left. So it's slightly different. It's going from right to left. So take one step to the right, which is away from the red, and then first step you need to do on the left side. Up, right, down, right, and then go to the face that it needs to go and do the same thing. You can see that piece has come over there. Okay, we have one more piece, which is this one. We have this one without any yellow sides, so bring that the right face. Okay, now the orange is over there, so basically this one gonna flip and go over there. So same step again, take one step away and then start from the left side because it's going from right to left, and then go to the face that it needs to go. Okay, you can leave it as it is. Okay, so our second face, second line is also done. We need to do the top line now, but to do the top line you need to make a plus. Luckily I've already got a plus. Next step is we need to make a yellow plus on the top, same like the bottom. To make that, we have the third step now. So third step goes like this. Any face, you can choose any face. I'm gonna choose this one and then turn clockwise, and then the same first step, up, left, down, right, and then anti-clock. You can see that it's shaping. As soon as you get something like this, a clock sign, I'm gonna hold it this way now. So blue will be my face. As soon as you get this one. Okay, so blue is my face. I'm gonna do the do step 3 again. One more time. You can see that I've got a plus now. Don't worry about the corner ones because it's in wrong place. You got the plus. Now we're gonna align the middle pieces with the right side. Let's see if it's aligned. So there's a green, but this is not right. This is not right. This is not right. If I try to align with blue, you can see that blue and orange are aligned perfectly, but these two are not aligned. In this situation, there is one more step. Our step 4. So our step 4 goes like this. Hold the aligned centerpieces like that. Now this is your face. Centerpieces over there. This is your face. You're gonna walk on this face. Okay, so our step 4 goes like this. Up, left, left, down, right, up, right, down. Now try to align. You can see that red, blue, orange and green, all of them are aligned. So that's our plus, and also the centerpieces are aligned to the right face. Now the corners. Okay, try to find a corner which is already in right place. What I mean by right place is yellow. So the center, the corner piece will have yellow and the 2 other colors of the sides. So this has blue, so it's not in right place. This has orange, so it's not in right place. Not in right place. But this one is the right place. Yeah, in fact, it's perfectly aligned. So we're gonna stay on this face. Concentrate on this piece, and we're gonna do our last step, which is step 5. So we found the piece which is aligned perfectly. Even though you don't find it perfectly, you can still do this step. Okay, so the step 5 goes like this. Take top, one step left, and then up, right, and left side up, bring it back, bring it down, bring this back, and then bring this down. Check, they are still not aligned. We're gonna do one more time. Now if you see, they are in right place. Okay, so blue is over there, red is over there, yellow is on the top. So this is right place. Blue, orange and yellow on the top. This is in right place. So I got lucky that they already got perfectly set up. resolved. We need to focus on these two. To focus on these two, we have to do the step 1 again, but this time the base will be yellow. So just turn it upside down, and then I'm gonna make this to solve this I have to do my step 1 again. So it goes like this: up, left, down, right. And the last, right. You have to always make sure you complete the steps. So this is fixed now. It looks messed up on the top, but don't worry about it. So the bottom one, we're gonna work on this one now. So just hold the Rubik's Cube still the same. Just bring the bottom part on this edge and do the same step. You can see that. Rubik's Cube solved in 5 easy steps.
If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section. And if you have enjoyed this video, remember to like and subscribe below. To keep up with more upcoming videos, hit the bell icon. Have a good time. Until next video, see you then. Bye bye.